Stop world hunger, but it costs you $500. 18 million people get cured from cancer, but you give it to the first person that appears when you click share, then more. You get the new iPhone 15 for free, but you have Android emojis. You get to choose any height you want, but it costs you $5,000. Have unlimited money, but you have to comment your battery percentage. You can freeze time, but you age 100 times faster when you freeze it. Be given $80,000, but you have to go prison for a year. Have the ability to fly, but you have to fly without clothes.